Have you ever dreamed of making money doing what you love but weren't sure where to start? Turning a passion into a profitable venture may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. Today, I'll show you the step-by-step process to transform your hobby or skill into a thriving income stream. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Turning Your Passion into Profit, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes& Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Turning your passion into a profitable business isn't just about chasing money. It's about creating a lifestyle where your work feels meaningful, exciting, and rewarding. By following these 7 practical steps, you'll gain clarity, structure, and actionable guidance to launch your dream business and start earning from what you love. Step number 1, identify your true passion. Before you can profit from your passion, you need to define it clearly. Ask yourself, what activity makes me lose track of time? Or what skill do people often ask me for help with? Identifying your core passion is crucial because businesses built around genuine interest are far more sustainable. For instance, someone who loves photography may start offering portrait sessions or selling prints online. Passion fuels persistence. It keeps you motivated even when challenges arise. Step number 2, research the market and your audience. A profitable passion needs demand. Spend time exploring your niche. Who are the people that would buy your product or service, and what problems can you solve for them? Conduct surveys, join online communities, and study competitors. For example, if your passion is baking, identify what types of desserts are trending and what gaps exist in your local or online market. Understanding your audience helps you position your offering effectively and attract paying customers. Step number 3, start small with a pilot product or service. You don't need a massive launch to start earning. Begin with a minimum viable product, MVP, or small service offering. This allows you to test your concept, gather feedback, and refine your approach without huge risk. If you love crafting handmade jewelry, start by selling a few pieces to friends at local markets or on Etsy. Early feedback is invaluable. It guides improvements and builds confidence. Step number 4, create a simple brand and online presence. Even small ventures need branding. Choose a name, design a logo, and create basic social media profiles or a simple website. A consistent brand builds credibility and helps customers recognize and remember you. Think of your brand as your professional handshake. It communicates who you are and what you stand for. You don't need perfection. Clarity and authenticity matter most in the early stages. Step number 5, set clear financial goals and pricing. Passion alone doesn't pay the bills. You need a plan. Determine your desired income, calculate costs, and set prices accordingly. Be realistic about what your target market can afford while valuing your time and expertise. For instance, if you teach online cooking classes, decide how many sessions per week you need to reach your income goal, then adjust pricing or offerings as needed. Clear financial targets keep your business sustainable and focused. Step number 6, promote strategically and network. No matter how amazing your product or service is, people need to know about it. Use social media, email newsletters, and local events to spread the word. Collaborate with others in your niche, seek testimonials, and ask for referrals. For example, a fitness coach might offer a free workshop online to build credibility and attract paying clients. Promotion isn't pushy. It's sharing your value with those who genuinely need it. Step number 7, keep learning and scaling gradually. Turning a passion into profit is a journey, not a single step. Continuously learn from customer feedback, market trends, and personal experience. Experiment with new offerings, improve efficiency, and expand your reach over time. For instance, a hobbyist painter might start selling originals, then offer prints, online tutorials, or commissioned work. Incremental growth prevents burnout and ensures long-term success. Let's say your passion is photography. Start by offering family portraits to friends and neighbors. Create an Instagram page showcasing your work. Ask clients for reviews and share them online. As demand grows, consider workshops, stock photography sales, or corporate assignments. Following these steps turns your hobby into a diverse, income-generating business without overwhelming you from day one. How expert tip: leverage micro experiments. Rather than betting everything on a single idea, run small experiments to see what resonates. Offer limited time services, test pricing, or post content to gauge interest. This reduces risk, uncovers profitable opportunities, and helps refine your approach faster than guessing. When you follow these steps, your passion evolves from a casual hobby into a structured, revenue-generating venture. Not only will you feel more fulfilled, but you'll also gain the confidence and knowledge to grow your business sustainably. Your challenge: identify one actionable way to monetize your passion this week. Start small, test it with your audience, and track results. By taking this first concrete step, you're turning your dream into a tangible, profitable reality. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out How Expert Guide to Turning Your Passion into Profit, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes& Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. How Expert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.